Ozone presents Morphe Series OZ-FDL02 STD digital lock for wooden and metal doors. The OZ-FDL02 STD digital lock offers a wide variety of features. Unboxing. Inside the box you will find the user manual, cutout template, waterproof rubber plates, front panel, back panel, lock body, strike plate and strike box, mechanical keys, RFID cards, screw packet containing screw casing pipe and screws, along with 8 AAA alkaline batteries. The following tools are required to install the OZ-FDL02 STD black digital lock. Set the handle direction according to door opening. Loosen the screws from the rear of the front panel. Turn left for left hand door opening. Turn right for right hand door opening. Tighten the screw after adjusting the handle direction. While fixing the front panel, ensure that the tamper alarm button is pressed against the door. However, there is no need to drill a separate hole for it. Note: if someone tries to change the fixed position or break into the lock, the tamper alarm button gets displaced and begins to beep continuously. Fix the waterproof rubber plate on the base of the front panel. Fix the screw casing pipe at the bottom panel of the lock. Fix the screw casing pipe at the top panel of the lock. Loosen the screws from the rear of the back panel. Turn right for left-hand door opening. Conversely, turn left for right-hand door opening. Tighten the screws after adjusting the handle direction. Fix the screw casing pipe at the top panel of the lock. Fix the waterproof rubber plate on the base of the back panel. Reverse the lock body latch direction if your door is a left-hand opening door. Make a cavity for fixing the lock body. Check the thickness of the door before proceeding with installation. Typically, a door panel thickness of 35 to 60 mm is suitable for lock installation. Mark the point on the door leaf at 1000 mm from the lower edge. This is the ideal height for lock fixing. Using the mark as the center point, place the cutout template in position. Mark the latch point and then mark the strike plate's size. Now dig a 175 mm by 90 mm deep cavity for the lock body mounting plate using the markings you made earlier. Place the cutout template aligning it with door edge. Mark the points in accordance with the cutout template. Drill using a hole saw cutter of 25 mm diameter on the center point and 10 mm diameter on the points marked. Fixing the lock body. Insert the lock body in the cavity and fix it. Ensure that this arrow sign is on the upper side of the proper fitment of the lock panel. Place the front panel on the outside of door, aligning it with the drilled hole by bringing out the connection wire from the inner side. Attach the connection wire with back lock panel. Secure the back lock panel with the connecting rod. Tighten the screws of the back panel and secure the lock. Insert the 8 AAA batteries. A beep sound will indicate that the lock has been activated. Now fix the battery compartment cover. Always use high-quality, ultra-power alkaline batteries for better performance. Pull down the handle to check functionality of lock body. Make a cavity cut out for strike plate. Bring the door to a closed position and mark the latching bolt position on the door frame. Following the marking, place the strike plate on the latching of door frame. Carefully mark the cavity and strike plate position. Make a strike box cavity of 12 mm depth and a 4 mm cavity for fixing the strike plate. Fix the strike plate. Your door lock is now ready for secure locking. Contact Ozone Customer Care for more assistance. The Morphe Series Digital Lock from Ozone, designed for your safety, your security, your protection.